In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send direct messages on Gmail updated for the latest interface. Emailing is such a fundamental part of our daily communication, whether it's for work, personal use, or something in between. Knowing how to efficiently send direct messages can streamline your communication and help you save time throughout the day. To start things off, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Gmail website by entering gmail.com in the address bar. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. Just enter your email address and password, and click Next to access your inbox. Ensure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple emails, as each account keeps its own conversations and contact lists. Now that you're in your inbox, direct your attention to the top left corner of the Gmail interface where you'll see a button labeled Compose. Go ahead and click on that button. Doing so will open a new email window in the bottom right corner of your screen. This is where you can create a new message, and it's designed to work just like a chat window for quick and easy access. In the To field at the top of this new message window, type in the email address of the person you want to send a direct message to. It's important to double-check the spelling to ensure your message reaches the intended recipient. If the email address is incorrect, Gmail will typically alert you, and the message won't be sent. If you have the email address saved in your contacts, you can also start typing the name of the person, and Gmail will suggest it for you. In the subject line below, enter the topic of your email. This helps the recipient quickly identify the purpose of your message and ensures it receives the attention it deserves. Keep it concise yet informative to improve the chances of your email being opened promptly. Now, move to the large text box under the subject line to compose your message. Write your email clearly and thoroughly, keeping your tone and language appropriate for the recipient. Feel free to format the text, add links, or include attachments using the toolbar at the bottom of the window. Once your message is ready, take a moment to review it for any typos or missing details. It's always a good idea to read through your email before sending to ensure it accurately conveys your intended message. If everything looks good, go ahead and click the Send button at the bottom of the message window. That's it. You've just sent a direct message using Gmail. With these simple steps, you can facilitate important conversations and maintain effective communication with friends, family, and colleagues. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on managing your Gmail account like a pro.